In the previous video, you learned how to create a series from a list, how to assign labels to the index of a series you create, how to create a series from a dictionary. The statement in input 7 will create a series from the dictionary pdata such that the labels of the series will be Zamfara, Kano, Oyo, and Plateau. Since the labels Kano, Oyo, and Plateau are keys in the dictionary, then their values will correspond to the values in the dictionary. Since the label Zamfara is not a key in the dictionary pdata, then there is nowhere to get the value of Zamfara from. Abuja, on the other hand, which is a key in pdata but is not listed in the index, will not be part of the series. A series is very much like a single column of an Excel worksheet. Any column of an Excel worksheet has a column name. In the picture shown, the column name for this column is the letter A. In addition, each row of the column is associated with a number. In Excel, the number begins from 1. Each cell in the column will hold a value. You can use a combination of the column name and the row number to address specific value of the column. The row numbers in an Excel column corresponds to the index of a series, although the index of a series by default begins from 0. In addition, the index of a series could either be numbers or even text, and you can provide your own labels for the index of a series. Another feature that sets a series apart from just an ordinary Excel column is data alignment. A series object have additional attributes that you can use to provide metadata. Let's print obj3 for example. For obj3 for example, we can fill out the name attribute for the data. This statement will assign the string state_count to the name attribute of obj3. Let's print obj3. In addition, we can provide a name attribute for the index or labels of the series. This statement will assign the string state to the name of the index of the sequence. Let's print obj3. It is also possible to assign new values to the index of a series. For example, this statement will assign the labels Kaduna, Kogi, Bauchi, and Lagos to the index of obj3. Let's print obj3.